Guys, ready na ba kayo for your real estate journey this 2026 #home goals? I'm Agent J from M4 Real Estate Corporation. Welcome to The Peak at Havila Township in Taytay, Rizal. Right timing mga kabahay kasi this January 2026 may nag-reopen na 2 lots in Block 6 na may amazing view tulad nito. Tara, puntahan natin ang lot sa Block 6. So, yung reopen na lot mga kabahay is located in Block 6, Lot 3, and 4. So, ito ngayon yung Block 6. Puntahan natin sa Lot 4 and Lot 3. Tara po. So, mga kabahay, ito ang Block 6, Lot 4. So, tingnan natin yung view. Yan, tama-tama kasi bagong tabos lang ng mga damo. So, yan po yung view from this lot. So, imagine kung nasa second floor pa tayo, di ba? And then, yung katabi naman po na lot, yung lot 3, which is banda doon, is available din. Same lang po yung view. And then, kung nagwo-worry kayo sa likod, pa-downhill po yung likod, mga kabahay. So, hindi kayo matatabunan ng view. So, just a recap mga kabahay. Again, yung available na prime lot here in the Peak is located in Block 6, Lot 3, and Lot 4. Lot area is 426 and 391 square meter. Ang frontage ng dalawa is nasa 14 meters and then yung depth is nasa 27 to 29 meters. And yun po, prime lot kasi may city view of Metro Manila. So yung mga kabahay, kung naghahanap kayo ng prime lot here in the Peak Havila Township in Taytay, Rizal, please do contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. I'm Agent J from M4 Real Estate Corporation, an in-house lead broker of Philippine Baslan.